itong problema ng mama. And the slaves felt compassion and released him. But that slave went out and found one of his fellow slaves who owned him 100 denarii. And he seized him and began to choke him, saying, "Pay back what you owe." Alam niyo ba, nakikita niyo ba yung nangyayari? Nakita niya yung kamanggagawa niya. Hoy, may utang ka sa akin. 10 billion ang utang niya. Tapos ang utang nito, mga 100 pesos lang. Sabihin natin, 1,000. Bayaran mo na ako. Sinakal pa! Nakita niyo ba yun? Began to choke him. Sinakal o kaya ginanong, bayad ka ng utang mo. Kawawa na. Papatay ka pa para sa 1,000. Utang mo 10 billion. Ano ka ba? Pero tinan nyo. And he sees him, pay back what you owe. And sabi nga, so his fellow slaves fell to the ground and began to plead with him, saying, "Have patience with me and I will repay you." But he was unwilling and went and threw him in prison until he should pay back what he was owed. Grabe. Kaya a person who claims that he experienced God's forgiveness but don't know how to forgive, hindi mo talaga tinatanggap yung forgiveness ng Diyos. Nakakaintindihan? Ang tao, ulitin ko ang tao na hindi nagpapatawad ng iba, nagpapahiwatig lang na hindi mo tinatanggap yung kapatawaran na binigay sa iyo ng Diyos.